What is up, guys? Welcome back to G's RC Garage. Back with another epic video today because we finally got a new RC for the fleet. Been browsing Facebook, always looking for a good deal. Happened to come across this one. This one actually just popped up on my recommendations. As soon as I saw it, had to hit the guy up. Been always wanted a Slayer, so I wanted a four-wheel drive short course truck. And it's Nitro, based off the Revo platform. I'm sure you guys all know about the Slayer. They've been around for a good while, so $200. Went out there and picked it up. Quick little drive later, so I think it's in pretty good condition. As you can tell, it's super dirty. Doesn't look like the guy ever really washed it, but looking over it, there's a few kind of signs I can tell like hardly been ran. So I think the first step is just to give it a nice good little wash. After that, we'll go through it, kind of check it out, see what it needs, how it looks, and maybe we'll even get her fired up today. First of all, let's get this thing cleaned up. So I got that roughly cleaned up, fairly looking pretty decent. I think next up we're gonna pull the motor out because apparently this dude only had one screw holding the motor in this whole time, so it'll be easy to take out, and then we'll give her a deep clean down in there. Let's get her out. All right, so we got the engine all removed, taken out. Looks like it's in really good shape, turns over really good. So it sounds like it's got some compression, so we're just gonna put some after run oil in there. Head looks nice and clean. Put her back together. On the chassis here, we got the chassis all taken apart. Got the fuel tank, the receiver box out. The receiver box all cleaned up. Got that all taken apart. The fuel tank. Got the fuel tank looking nice and fresh. Got it all the old fuel out of it, cleaned up. Gonna put my new FlySky receiver in. Unfortunately, the engine mount does have a break here, so we can't do like an official run test, but it does have a couple mounts, so I will be able to. I'll put it back together, and hopefully we'll be able to get this thing fired up. Alright guys, got the Slayer all put back together. Went ahead and took the engine apart. Everything looked good in there. Put some after run oil in there just to lube her up. Got her all cleaned up the fuel tank, washed that all out. Everything's basically stock. Put a new Traxxas glow plug in that I had laying around. Reset the gear ratio because that was way off. Did switch to my FlySky receiver and controller here just so I could get my telemetry, have my temp sensors and my voltage and all that, because I am running a LiPo. I hate those dumb AA packs that these things come with. I just swapped to a little mini LiPo, this way I can monitor the voltage. Yeah, let's see if she'll fire up. Got some fuel in there, all primed up. Give her a rip. Don't forget this one's backwards. Light the truck. See if I can do this without the controller. Oh yeah. Good down track. Fired right up. I think she's gonna be a ripper. Once I get right off the rip, thing's gonna be a blast to drive. That way, slap the tires back on there, take her out to a spot, give her out to a fresh little break in. Let's get it. We are on location out here at my local spot. This is normally my flying field, but we decided to bring the Slayer out here just to give her a little shakedown rip, make sure everything's working okay before we actually start doing some modifying and stuff. So let's see if we get this thing fired up. Get a little ripping. Let me turn it on first. That usually always helps. Over here somewhere. Also the controller. That would also help. Come on. Alright, there we go. Steering. Warmed up a little bit. Yeah. Alright, smelling good though. Smelling that Nitro fuel. See what this baby can do. The small tire is thing funky. Grab all that rubber return. Nice. Like fast. See, it's up the gyro. See here. I think I can just go. Give me 1 sec. Alright. You got it all set up. Oh. I thought that was gonna happen. Sitting there. Then loaded it up. Get it cleared out. Go up and get our fire back up. That's fast. Jesus, thing rips. Holy crap. It's so fast. Lively. Ooh, those gears don't sound very happy though. I don't know if I like those metal gears. Look at that, it might be a bearing. It's hard to tell. Still gotta drive though, so fuck it. Thing's gonna rip up the short course. Stuck in first gear maybe? Well, that might be second gear. I don't think it's been in there for a while. Oh. Got a little hot. Yeah, install my cooler glow plug. Get my fan in there. That will get. We'll get a running dial though. A little hot. Not too bad though. Turns over good though. That's a good plus sign. Give her a little cool down. Back over to my drink. It's cut. Come back when there's a little bit more action. Alright, made it up to their OG little track up here. Haven't been out here since it's rained, so it could use a little work, but let's just get a couple laps in before the sun completely goes down and we lose all of our light here. Let's get her going. Controller's dead, so we get at least a lap in. That's a lot heavier than short courses I'm used to. Liquid Blue something. Kind of thought that was coming. Anyway, guys, sounds like she's at least running pretty good. I'll go back and order some parts, get her running dialed. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you want to see some more Nitro action, just RC stuff in general. Until the next one, see you guys later. Peace out.